Hi, this is Yolanda Vanveen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow sunflower plants. Now, sunflowers can grow pretty much anywhere where they receive sun and they get some warm temperatures. And so there's only a few materials that you need to grow sunflowers. And basically you need some seeds, a container or a garden to plant them in, some soil and gravel mixed together or just soil by itself, and a sunny spot. And those are all materials that you need to grow a sunflower. So the first step is take your container and fill it up with soil. So the second step is taking your seeds and just putting them on the top of the container towards the middle and sprinkling them about so that they're not all in one space. Now the third step is taking some potting soil and putting that on top. So you want to just barely cover them up. You don't want them to be too deep. So the fifth and final step is putting it out in the sunny spot and giving it some water. So make sure not to give lots and lots of water at one time so it just comes back out, but a misting kind of a water. And then that way your sunflowers will grow and you will have a beautiful, beautiful sunflower garden.